Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off disappear mode on your Instagram. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, be sure to write your comments. And let's get started. So, if you've opened Instagram and in one of your conversations, you've turned on disappear mode. By the way, it often happens completely by accident. Now I'll show you how to turn it off. So, let's say you go into a conversation where you have enabled the disappear mode. And the first way to disable it is to click on the name of the user with whom you correspond. Next is privacy. And here you'll see the disappear mode is activated. And you just have to turn it off. So as you can see, immediately the conversation becomes normal. And one more way. This is if you have enabled the disappear mode, then you can deactivate it in one simple move. To do that, you'll need to pull up and down on the conversation, like this, and it instantly turns into a normal conversation. It's the same way that disappear mode is turned on. If you pull the conversation up and down like this. That's why a lot of people may accidentally turn on this disappear mode on Instagram. Friends, I hope this video helped you and you saw how you can disable disappear mode in Instagram app. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes, and see you soon.